Hello and welcome to Verisurf University, your source for professional online training for Verisurf software and the 3D measurement solutions that it enables. The goal of Verisurf University is to increase the availability of consistent, standardized, high-quality training for customers, students, resellers, educators, or anyone interested in learning more about Verisurf software. Verisurf University employs an industry-standard learning management system, or LMS, to deliver training, testing, and certification through a standard web browser. By using an LMS, students are guaranteed a stable, consistent, and standard learning environment with reliable 24/7 access. Courses are affordably priced so that learners can have individual accounts, track their progress, test their knowledge, and receive recognition for their efforts in the form of a personalized certificate of completion. Content is delivered in a lecture-style format with courses, lessons, and exercises arranged in a sequence that builds on previous learning. Courses are designed for viewing in the order they're listed in the catalog. In addition, the search function and random access menu structure makes the material suitable for use as a reference tool. Courses consist primarily of narrated video screencasts that demonstrate the use of menus, dialogues, toolbars, and various other program controls. Some lessons feature live footage using a 3D gauge to demonstrate measurement, auto-align, and the inspect-build process. Whiteboard talks that explain the theory of operation are included to give the student a better understanding of how the software performs various functions. Practical examples are used throughout the courses to show not only how the software operates, but how it can be used to solve actual problems. The Introduction to Verisurf X6 is a catalog of 13 courses comprising a total of 172 lessons and examples covering topics such as installation, interface and CAD basics, alignments, inspect build mode, and the measure, analysis, and report managers. In the Verisurf interface, trainees are shown the various elements of the user interface, including the menus and toolbars, the graphics window, the system configuration dialog, and the status bar. The course describes the general use of the controls on the Operations Manager tabs in the ribbon toolbars, and subsequent courses on the Measure and Analysis Managers and CAD Basics discuss these topics in detail. The course also explains how to create working directories and how to open and save data and model files. By the end of the course, students will have a good understanding of the program interface and the functions of the various program controls. Model-based workflows such as auto-align, analysis, and inspect build require a basic understanding of the CAD tools that are available in Mastercam Design. The course entitled CAD Basics starts by explaining the distinction between CAD data and measured data, and describes how to use CAD tools such as graphic views, screen statistics, analysis, and shading to understand the model. Selection of CAD entities is addressed in numerous topics, including the general selection ribbon bar, selection methods and settings, and various masking techniques. Attention is paid to changing attributes such as color, style, and level into setting default attributes using the status bar and system configuration dialog. The course includes many practical exercises designed to help the students understand the application of these tools. 3 courses are dedicated to the important concepts of alignments and transformations, including auto-align and feature-based alignment. The first such course, Alignments and Transformations, discusses the theory of alignments, their relationship to transformations and reference frames, and their application to points, features, and devices. The course on auto-align describes how to create and edit alignment targets and explains the requirements for valid target layouts. Students learn how to configure auto-align settings, run auto-align with a device, and how to interpret and accept the alignment results. Practical exercises are provided for a number of common auto-align scenarios. The third alignment course, Feature-Based Alignments, explains the functions 3-point align and feature align that are typically used in print-based workflows. Practical exercises are used to demonstrate the application of both alignment functions. The course on the Device Manager explains the operation of the primary interface to measurement devices such as portable arms, laser trackers, fixed CMMs, and a variety of others. This course describes how to assign, start, and activate devices for measurement within Verisurf and includes an exercise to review these processes using the 3D gauge. The Device Manager includes a thorough discussion of probe management. Students learn how to create and modify custom probe definitions and how to calibrate custom probes. Extensive coverage is given to the important topic of thermal compensation. The theory behind thermal expansion is explained, and students learn how to apply scale bar and material-based compensation to measured parts. Finally, the use of digital readouts for real-time feedback is explained. Topics include launching, formatting, and docking readouts, and the use of global readouts for comparative measurements. The real-time inspect build mode and the analysis function are described together in two courses. Inspect build and analysis settings describes the parameters that control the calculation and display of deviations, including probe compensation, tolerance, and the graphical display of deviations in the form of arrows, spheres, and color maps. Practical exercises are used to demonstrate inspect build mode. Students learn how to inspect a part in real time and how to use real-time feedback to position a part in space. The course on the Analysis Manager describes the analysis workflow using measured points and point clouds and explains how best fitting is used to align and analyze data to the model. Examples of best fitting, analysis, and reporting are demonstrated in practical exercises. The measurement of points, clouds, and geometric features is described in two related courses. In the Measure Manager, students are introduced to the toolbars and other controls in the Measure Manager interface, as well as the measurement functions that are common to all feature types. The measurement filters that give geometric structure to measured data are described thoroughly using both practical and theoretical illustrations. The Measure Options topic describes the settings that the operator can use to control the measurement interface. The related course, Measuring Features, explains the use of feature projections, constraints, and probe compensation for measured features. Feature projections control how 2D features such as circles are first projected into a plane prior to fitting, or how measurements can be revolved about an axis to define a surface contour. The important topic of probe compensation, and automatic probe compensation in particular, is explained in detail using graphical animations and practical examples for a variety of feature types. The course also explains how points, clouds, and geometric features such as lines, planes, and circles are edited to modify their compensation, fit, projection, and constraint settings, and how outliers are identified and removed. Finally, a helpful summary of measurement keyboard shortcuts is included. The Report Manager explains how to create report objects from measured features, how to construct additional features as well as angles and distances, how to add comments and screenshots, and how to include GD&T analysis in a report. The course also describes how nominal and tolerance values are entered for both print and model-based workflows and how default values can be defined to simplify the process. Finally, the process used to format a report and to create PDF, Excel, and HTML documents is described, and practical exercises are included for a variety of formats. In WCS and the View Manager, students are introduced to the Work Coordinate System, or WCS, and the View Manager, and to the relationship between models, reference frames, views, and the G-view. Numerous examples of WCS constructions are provided, including dynamic WCS, WCS by 3 points, and WCS by plane axis origin. Installing and running Verisurf explains the installation process for Mastercam, Verisurf, and the Verisurf VDI, as well as the installation of the Mastercam HASP. Device installation is covered briefly and is later discussed in detail in the course on the Device Manager. Throughout the installation process, particular attention is paid to the use of administrative rights to ensure a successful installation. This course is helpful for anyone installing Verisurf on a computer for the first time. At the end of each course, students have the option to provide feedback in the form of a survey and to take a comprehensive quiz to test their understanding of the material. The survey asks students to rate the course based on various criteria and allows for feedback in the form of an essay response. Course quizzes use a variety of question styles including true-false, multiple choice, graphical hotspot, multiple response, and various ordering and matching techniques to assess the student's comprehension of the material. A quiz may be taken as many times as necessary to earn a passing grade, and quizzes are randomized so that each attempt is unique. A certificate of completion is awarded automatically when a student passes all the quizzes in the catalog. The quizzes can be challenging, so earning a certificate of completion is a strong indicator of student achievement. We hope this introduction has helped you appreciate the benefits that Verisurf University has to offer. We believe that Verisurf University is the most convenient and cost-effective way to obtain comprehensive, high-quality training and certification for Verisurf operators, and we think you will too. Contact your Verisurf reseller today to enroll in Verisurf University and start enjoying the benefits of online learning. Thanks for watching.